Up and away. Go, go, go.
And I love that. And I love that. And I love that shit.
Up and away we go. Where we stop, no one knows. We first class on a private jet. Up and away we go. Where we stop, no one knows. We first class on a private jet.
That pussy always gonna be secondary. To a nigga like me, getting money is necessary. I'm sorry, them lanes be giving attention. The lane I'm driving is different because of turbulence. I'm spilling champagne. Flying to different cities, destinations. Building relationship with bosses, making dollars. I said I'm not far behind her. They tend to give me some knowledge. I turned around and then go make a profit. Haters in my refuge checking. When they catch me slipping, pick a different method. I'm from the 317 in a second. I be landing in your section with a coat fitted. I keep on reppin'. In Minnesota, man, I tore that show. Southside Chicago, I'm on Sibley Road. What up, Joe? That's a lingo they be speaking. Now we leaving to the city for the bright lights. Display is life.
Up and away we go. Where we stop, no one knows. We first class on a private jet. Up and away we go. Where we stop, no one knows. We first class on a private jet.
Like Master P, you know I'm bout it. I tend to stand out even if it's crowded. I doubt if not about my paper that I don't come around when clowns who be acting childish. I try to lock down my section, the Midwest and various areas that's in my presence. The pilot keep on asking me directions. We bout to land so I can spread the message. My independent grind is so aggressive. I'm bumping something playalistic. 3,000 flows every throw Andre may missed it. My mission, create a pole position over competition. If they tip a beat, now it's time to pay attention. Bucket hats, I got it tilted, man. I'm so in love with Mary Jane. I'm on probation, so I'm twisting up. Can't turn me down, you know I'm high as fuck.
Oh, fuck. I'm high, motherfucker. Ooh, shit. About like 30,000 feet. M.O.U.S.E. Oh, this is some good kush, man. Private jets.